among us speaks in tongues? Raise your hand. If you speak, come. Come. Let me get a recording on my phone. Come. The rest of you pray. This is serious business. Come, sister. You look as if you love Jesus and you love the truth. All right. You speak in tongues? Okay. Speak in tongues.
Jesus,
all right. Okay. Stay right away. Someone else who speaks in tongues, come and tell me what she said. Someone else who speaks in tongues, come and interpret. You have to be honest. I'll call again. Stay where you are. Someone else that speaks in tongues, come and tell the world what she just said. Is there a hand? What did you just say? What did you say? No, what did you say? Interpret. You may return to your seat.